As winter quickly approaches, here are 6 ways to help you prepare your garden. Number 1. Clean up. Remove any remaining dead, or diseased plants, so that diseases won't spread. However, it is encouraged for leaves to be left on the ground, as they are great spaces for beneficial insects. Number 2. Protect plants. Younger, or non-native plants, might need extra protection from the freezing temperatures. Make sure to mulch the soil, and wrap any plants with things like cloth, or burlap. Number 3. Prune. Prune off any dead branches, or stems that your plant might have, along with any dead flowers. This ensures the plant will not only grow back healthier in spring, but will look more appealing. Number 4. Water. Even though the plants are starting to go dormant, watering is still required. Just not as much. Water your plants occasionally before the soil freezes. When the soil freezes, you don't need to water. Number 5. Inspect for pests. Check around your plants for any pests that could be hiding, and remove them. If you don't, they could come back in spring, and multiply quickly. Number 6. Plan for spring. Use the next few months to plan out your spring garden. Consider crop rotation, selecting plants, and changing the layout.